Today let us have the class on ratio and proportion. Already you have learned what is ratio. The comparison between two quantities of the same kind is said to be ratio. If A and B are two quantities, A is to B is the ratio of A and B. Not only the comparison of two quantities of the same kind, the comparison between two or more quantities of the same kind said to be in ratio. Three quantities of the same kind are said to be in ratio A is to B is to C if AK, BK, CK are the quantities where K is the non-zero real number. Okay? Three quantities of the same kind are in the ratio A is to B is to C if AK, BK, CK are the three quantities where K is any non-zero real number. Okay? If three quantities are in the ratio A is to B is to C, means the three quantities are AK, BK, CK. If the three quantities are in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6, we can say the three quantities are 4K, 5K, 6K or any other 4A, 5A, 6A also you can take. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, four quantities A, B, C, D. A is to B is to C is to D means the quantities are AK, BK, CK, DK and so on. Okay? Let me give you an example here. 4 is to 5 is to 6 means the quantities are 4K, 5K, 6K. Okay? Or you can take 4A, 5A, 6A or 4B, say 5B, 6B as you wish. Now, you are going to learn about what is composition of ratios. Composition of ratios. There are different varieties. Your first kind is compounded ratio. What is compounded ratio? The compounded ratio of A is to B and C is to D. The compounded ratio of A is to B and C is to D is AC is to BD. That means the product of the antecedents is to product of the consequence. Product of the first terms is to product of the second terms gives you the compounded ratio of the given ratios. If there are three ratios, compounded ratio of A is to B, C is to D, E is to F is ACE is to BDF. Not only two ratios, two or more also. All the antecedents multiplied is to all the consequence. Okay? Next, what is duplicate ratio? Duplicate ratio means for one ratio only. the duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Example, duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3 means 2 square is to 3 square, that is 4 is to 9. That means square of the antecedent first term is to square of the second term gives you the duplicate ratio. Similarly, what is triplicate ratio? Duplicate means square, triplicate means cube. Okay. The triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Let me give you an example. Triplicate ratio of two is to 3 is 2 cube is to 3 cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. Only cubes of both the terms of the ratio if you do, you will get triplicate ratio. Now, what is subduplicate and what is subtriplicate? Let me explain you. So, compounded ratio means product of the antecedents is to product of the consequence. Duplicate means squares. Triplicate means cubes. Now fourth is, what is subduplicate ratio? Subduplicate ratio. The subduplicate ratio of A is to B is square root A is to square root B. Okay, duplicate means square, subduplicate is square root. Example, subduplicate ratio of eight is to 64. Let me write 8 is to 25. 16 is to subduplicate ratio of 16 is to 25 is square root of 16 is to square root of 25. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Fifth one. Same way. Subtriplicate. Triplicate means cube. Subtriplicate means cube root. Okay. The subtriplicate ratio of A is to B is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Example, subtriplicate ratio of 27 is to 64 is cube root of 27 is to cube root of 64. When you multiply 3 times, you are getting 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. And your last ratio, kind of ratio is reciprocal ratio. The name itself tells you what is this. Okay. The reciprocal ratio of A is to B is B is to A. First term will be the second term will be the first term. Example, the reciprocal ratio of two is to 3 is 3 is to 2. Okay, these are the 6 different compositions of ratios. Okay, ratio has no unit, so nowhere you will get the units. because both the terms are of the same kind and having the same unit. I hope this is clear to you. Please go through and make the concept clear. Okay, thank you.